Can you hear that? Not out there. Closer. Still at 2:30, a thin blue line moved on the wall. No wind, no footsteps in the hall, just one soft rhythm through it all. It came and faded, came again, a little early for my breath, like someone knew the pause I kept and left its mark inside the hush. It touched the beat beneath my chest, then waited there for me to choose, not far away. Closer. I hear it, I go. The next step draws the road below. I don't need every turn to show. I hear it, I go. The dark around me opens slow. A line appears beneath my weight. I take one step, the signal grows. I hear it, I go. By morning, every passing sound was landing where my heartbeat fell. The signal bent around my steps like it already knew them well. A phrase came back in my own tone, but older, warmer, carrying on. It held the shape of words I lost, like I had sent them from beyond. That voice was mine. I wasn't following a map. My motion made the pattern clear. I was the answer, drawing near. I hear it, I go. The open space begins to grow. The rhythm wears the voice I know. Echo learns my name and pace. What called me forward wasn't gone. It was the me still moving on. Let the signal leave my hands. Now. I hear it, I go. And now I send what brought me home. Through every room, still holding its breath. I leave a pulse for someone close. I hear it, I go. The way keeps opening as I go. And if you catch this quiet tone, you'll know you're not the farther than before.